everyone. Let's learn some cool English phrases, and there are many. Life is fickle. Life is fickle means life is unpredictable and can change suddenly. Bon appetit. Bon appetit means enjoy your food. Snug as a bug in a rug. Snug as a bug in a rug means to be in a very comfortable situation. Abysmal. Abysmal means very bad or terrible. Bob's your uncle. Bob's your uncle means something is simple or easy to do. Googly Moogly. Googly Moogly. Googly Moogly means a fun way to express your surprise or disbelief. Mom's word. You need to keep a secret or stay silent about something. It's like, shh, don't tell anyone. To erase human. To erase human means everyone makes mistakes. It's me, Annora. It's me, Bella. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.